name's Steph.
Name's Luca.
And welcome to the channel. This is something we've been wanting to do for a really, really long time. We're going to be going on all sorts of adventures, buying all sorts of different European cars. Today, we're going to be taking Luca's B8 out. We have a few errands to run, a few things to do. I'll pick up some coilovers for this. We have to go pick up a tie rod for that, which we're gonna be replacing later as well. And then we have a few other cars that we'll be introducing to you as the channel goes on, including one special one that's just off to the side over here that you guys actually get to see in the intro video. We're gonna be bringing that out on nicer days though. This is of course an S4, so supercharged V6. We had another one that was an S4 at one point. Very much deserved to perish, but that's fine. It lives on in other S4s. It's totally okay. There's a leaf on the back of my car. Yuck.
S4. It goes wee. Other S4. Wee. Maybe an S4? Stay tuned. But what do we got here from yesterday? Fresh rubber. And a big brake kit.
All right, guys, we're gonna head into the city. As I said before, we have to go pick up the coilovers for Luca's S4. And we also have to go pick up the tie rod for the A6. So we're gonna head out, we're gonna take off, we're gonna go do that now. And we will check back in with you when we get back home. So, final task on the list for today is to get the A6's tie rod changed. Now, we have a very special man for that job. It's Brad. Brad is our resident mechanic. Basically what he does. All right, guys, so it's actually the next day. We had a little bit of trouble getting the tie rod out. It didn't want to come out, it didn't want to be cooperative. We had to do a few things and go out and get a few extra little tools to get it out. But look, she's done. She sits nicely, drives nicely as well. She's happy. Now we just have to send her for an alignment, and then we can start with the modifications, since that's the only thing this car really needed. I mean, it does kind of need an exhaust because, well, there's not really much of anything under there. The exhaust was so rotted when we got it that when we tried to remove the other muffler, it just kind of fell off from the resonator back. She's healthy, she's running.
All right, let's see how the car drives now with a fresh tie rod. Make sure to get to an alignment next couple days, but the car goes actually where the steering wheel is pointed now. The tie rod was extremely bad. Remember to do your maintenance on your suspension. You will start needing tires and the front end will feel very sloppy. This car was extremely sloppy before. Alright, we're in the 80 zone. Let's bring it up to speed limit. See how it feels. Going about 80, 85. Feels a lot better. Yeah, steering input is much tighter now. Car follows where it's supposed to go. Back to the alignment being a little off. Just want to make sure there was no new clunks or anything, but no issues to report. Don't expect it, and then somehow they still work. And the gears are amazing. I'm still at third. Pulls really well.
All right, guys, that's it for today's video.
But if you did like what you saw in today's video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notifications icon, and never miss a video from us. And we'll see you guys in the next one.